top things to do in Roatan, Honduras when it's raining. I know, it was raining when I got dressed and I already committed to the video. So the best thing to do is, if you are a scuba diver, you're gonna get wet anyway. You might as well enjoy the water. It's gonna be warmer in the water. Well, I do enjoy this type of diving because my favorite is going into the rubble patches and looking for the nudibranchs, and it's just because the ocean can be a little bit quieter sometimes in the rain. Hearing the rain overhead when you're underwater, some of my favorite sounds in the entire world. Snorkeling is also good. It's just you might get a little bit chilly on what's not in the water. But the next thing that you can do when it's raining, I love going to the larger hotels because a lot of them have multiple bars inside, so you're not going to get wet. Or, well, just pick your favorite bar. If I'm in West End, I know I've stayed many times at Sundowners, well, way past when I said I was going to leave because, well, the weather is more powerful than me. So, but I also like going to other places. Like if I know it's gonna rain all day, I would love to go to Ibigari and hang out, have some coffee, tea, have a nice, slow, luxurious lunch or dinner, just to enjoy the surroundings, listening to the rain. It's absolutely beautiful and all the animals out in the rain. So it's nice if you can, find activities where you can enjoy the rain, where it's just so very peaceful. But I know when you're on vacation and you want it to be sunny, even though 5 minutes ago it was raining for my video, going to the larger places. The Kempton Hotel in West Bay has a pool table and has a nice bar upstairs, wonderful dining downstairs, but they have a lot of covered areas that are also really nice, especially if it's raining and you're like, you know what, I just want to get out of my house, I want to go do something. They have larger areas, or the larger hotels do have the larger indoor areas. You also have like the Henry Morgan, Paradise Beach. Henry Morgan's, what's nice is they've got a wine room, and when you walk in, you're like, oh my gosh, look at all of this delightful wine. They have multiple restaurants, all of which is covered. So we're just talking about lots of covered activities, especially if you just want to get out. Herbie's over if you're on the east side, well, they have lots of draft beer. The Roatan Island Brewery is also a lot of fun because you have a lot of covering, and then you can just you want to go to places where you don't have to move a lot, and so you can hang out for a few hours. So I do like the larger locations. We do have mini spas that work wonderful in the rain. You have Infinity Bay has a wonderful spa. You also have a lot of places that are covered. You have Bon Suerte, which is where everyone likes to go on the west side of the island, or you also have Pineapple Village. So if you want to hang out at Herbie's, go to the bar, hang out, eat a lot of food. You can watch games because it is a sports bar, but then you also have the spa below, so it gives you a nice relaxing area. You also have gyms. We can go to gyms. All of those are at the spas or at the hotels that we did previously talk about. We also have a couple malls in Roatan that are covered, so most of them are open air, but we have Mega Plaza, which is in French Harbor, and we also have a brand new movie theater that I know my children absolutely love, a video arcade game or a video arcade area that my kids want to go to almost every single day, and I try to reserve it for days that it's just not very nice outside or it's just too darn hot. So I know that they enjoy that, and you could also do some shopping, most of which is covered, so you get to still be outside, but you're not just kind of stuck sitting in your room. So those are kind of my favorite activities to do when it rains on this beautiful island.